Hey folks, it's kind of noisy out here on the construction site, but I wanted to give you an update. Wanted to look back real quick. These are the stairs right there that are going to go up to our new worship space. We can get a sense of the downstairs a little bit. You're going to enter from over there, and you will come up these grand staircase up here. Stuff is coming along quite nicely. We are at the point of getting the ductwork in. The facade as soon is going to come on, so we're looking forward to that. We want to give you a sense of our new worship space. We can see over here the framing that's going on. Over here is going to be the sacristy, and behind us over here is going to be the choir loft. So a lot of great things going on. I'll give you a later update later, but just wanted to check in, let you know things are progressing. Looking forward to it, shooting for April, late April, to be in here, hopefully before Easter. If not before Easter, definitely around Easter or shortly after, sometime between Easter and Pentecost. So keep those prayers coming. It's looking great. We're moving on schedule. We're doing the best we can, and we'll be in here before we know it.